Hey, welcome back to BIBSTER'S Repair Shop. Normally when I'm doing this, it's just me, not me and Mrs. BIBSTER.
Yep.
But we have a big announcement. We'll get to that in a second. So a lot of you guys were wondering why in 2020 I did a bunch of filming stuff, and then this year we decided to take the year off.
Yeah, why is that?
Why is that? Well, because we're pregnant.
Yay!
So we are expecting. So that is why I've been having to. I took a step back from all that stuff. We're really super excited. Maybe that's why we called the tractor Otis. In the video on Saturday, I actually mentioned. Oh, we forgot the book.
Oh, it's inside.
It's too late.
We
It's fine.
forgot it.
But when I talked about Otis the tractor book, it's because we got it and we realized when we named that tractor Otis that, well, there's a whole series of books. So I was filming on Saturday and I literally said, we got one of those books. I'm like, I can't say why we got this book.
Nope.
So yeah, so we're excited. So you're gonna hear, obviously you'll be hearing more about that in the channel because future tractor driver is coming.
Baby bibs.
All right, well, that's a quick video, probably the shortest you've ever seen from me, so hope you guys like it. Like and subscribe, do all the things you guys know what to do. Bye.